Hi there, I've got a new addition to my channel. Meet Percy the cockatiel. If the filming's a bit wobbly, it's just that it's difficult to video him with a tripod. But he's absolutely gorgeous. I had a choice of another cockatiel. This cockatiel was lived out in an outhouse, even though it was the same age as Percy, 14 months. Hey Percy, pretty boy, pretty boy. He's so gorgeous, and with not that much interaction, I thought this is why I chose Percy. So Percy's background is that he had a lovely owner, but she just had a baby and she just didn't have time to give him all the attention he needs. But I've got loads of attention. Oh, there goes the fire engine, which I'm sure Percy's going to start learning the fire engine sounds. So yeah, I don't work at the moment. I'm at home all the time, recovering from long COVID. And this little birdie, I'm hoping, is going to keep me occupied and give me something to do during the day. Hey Percy. So I'm going to get him some more toys. So I picked him up yesterday. Yeah, hello, hello. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. There he is. That's a good Percy. Hello. Yeah, so I picked him up yesterday, and he settled in quite well. Got a bit noisy towards the end of the evening, about sort of 9-10 o'clock, so I put a cover over him, and he slept through till about 10 o'clock this morning. But it was so nerve-wracking. I didn't get much sleep last night. Oh, I didn't get much sleep last night, so hopefully I'll get a bit more sleep tonight. But he says, oh, I've been told, oh, I have actually heard him. He was actually talking when I went round, and here you go. Yes, hello. Yes, he says all kinds of things. He says, cup of tea, pretty boy, hello Percy. What you doing? Don't think he's going to talk much, or he's going to talk much today. He's been a new cockatiel owner. It's going to be practice makes perfect, I think. So I'm going by the advice to give him some space and leave him in his cage for the next 3-4 weeks. Previous owner said he is tame, but at the moment, if you go too close, he does start flapping his wings and gets a bit and sort of tries to nip at you. So just going to give him time to chill. So I'm going to make regular videos of Percy. Oh, he's come down to have a look to see what's going on. There he goes, and he's going to go down into the bottom of his cage. I can already see his character. Yes, I'm going to make some videos of Percy. So make sure that you subscribe and press the notification bell, and then it will let you know when the next video comes up. And you can follow the journey with me. Oh, peekaboo! 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 Are you a good boy? So cute. So what I've been doing is I've been looking at ways to do. Obviously, I'd like him to speak a lot. While I'm doing, he watches everything I do. So I'd like him to speak a lot, and I've been told that he also sings jingle bells or whistles jingle bells. So I've gone on YouTube and I've put in jingle bells for parrots. He loves them. Sits there, he whistles away to them. So what I'll do is when I go out, I'll leave these on. There's also other loads and loads of other videos that you can put on, sort of like birds singing and birds in the forest singing, that you can just leave on so that your cockatiel doesn't get lonely. Go back, because he's been watching me. Oh, hello. Hello, Percy. Hello, Percy. So, hopefully, in a few weeks, we'll have him out of his cage. And playing. And being a right old character. You know what, I could sit here all day and watch him. I don't need a TV now. Hey, Percy. Hello, Percy. Hello, Percy. There you go. So that's my second day with Percy. Leave any comments below and let me know if you've got any advice for me being a first-time cockatiel owner. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.